Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you all are doing well. I know that I took a little break here. I think I didn't upload the last week and a half or so. I just had a super busy summer. I was not expecting my summer to be this busy, honestly, which is why I didn't prep for it to be busy, if that makes sense. But we're back, we're here, we're ready to get, and it is officially fall. I am filming this on Tuesday the 24th, the day that you guys are seeing it, and as of yesterday, it is officially fall, even though here in New York it was 90 degrees yesterday on the first day of fall. Like, come on fall, you can do it. Push through summer. Push it out of here. I'm over it. But I hope that you guys are doing well, and for today's video I have a what's in my bag. If you guys like these types of videos, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. If you are also wondering about my hair, I do have a video on how I did it. I did do these braids myself, really simple, really easy, and yeah, so I think that was my previous video or the video before that. So, if you guys want to see what's in my bag for the fall season, let's go ahead and get right into it. I also just wanted to mention that everything I'm wearing on my face will be linked down below, not linked, I'll just tell you guys what I'm wearing down below so that you guys can know. So let's go ahead and get into my bag. This is my bag that I am using for the fall and probably the winter time too. It's just this really nice sable brown kind of color. It's really nice. I forgot what it was called on Amazon, but I did pick this up on Amazon. It is a Kenneth Cole Reaction bag. It's really cute. It has the arm holes, and then it does come with a long strap for your shoulder. I love this size bag. I find that this size bag really works well for me. It holds everything I need without being too big or too small. I find that small bags for me just don't work out day to day because I like to carry things in my bag that I might need. So this excuse me, cannot talk today. This just works out really well for me and my personal needs. So let's go ahead and get right into it. It has 3 little sections here. It has 2 sections that button and then 1 section in the middle that does zipper. I always like to have a zipper pocket to put my wallet and my more personal items that I don't want anybody to just reach their hand in and get. Living in New York, being on the train, just being in close proximity to people, I just don't want people to reach into my bag. The 2 pockets that I have that are just buttons, I don't keep anything that I wouldn't care if it got stolen in those, but the zipper pouch, I keep my phone, my wallet, else that I wouldn't want somebody to take. So that is just a tip from me. So let's start and go ahead into this outer pocket that we have here. First off, we have this zipper pocket right here on the outside, which I really like. I like to be able to just slide my phone in there really easily. Like if I just need to be hands-free for a second, I like to have a little pouch on the outside. That way I don't have to drop my phone in my bag and then it get lost in the sea of sauce in there. So first things first, I always have my phone. This is the phone that I have. I have the iPhone XS Max, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. It is just a simple phone. If you guys would like a what's on my iPhone video, definitely let me know. I can do that for you guys. But yeah, this is where I usually keep my phone. I also keep my AirPods in there. I don't know where my AirPods are at the moment. Let me go find them because I want to show you guys the cute case that I have on them. So give me 1 second. Okay, so we're back. This is my AirPods. I love them. I was really for a long time putting off investing in them because I was like, oh, I just have the headphones, it's fine. I had other Bluetooth headphones which had a wire that I wore to the gym, but they would fall out, and it was just a whole fiasco. But I did pick up this case from Amazon. It is just a little silicone case, and these are just the AirPods, and you can charge it. It has a little cover thing at the bottom so nothing gets in there. I really like having covers that cover the charging port on your phone as well as on AirPods and stuff, because I feel like stuff can get in there and it's just not a good time. But I will have both the bag and my AirPods case linked down, below. I'm not sure if I got this case from Amazon or not, but I definitely did get this pop socket from Amazon as well. So I'll have all that linked down below for you. But I do usually keep my AirPods in this little zipper compartment down here as well, just for easy access when I'm riding on the train or whatever. I don't have to search looking through my bag. So moving on to the first button pocket. I like to have little bags within my bag. I just find that it works really well for me, and that way I know where everything is. I can keep it compact and everything together. That way I'm not just digging through my bag when I just know where everything is. So I have this little bag here from Ipsy. It is one of their Ipsy bags that I received, and in this little bag I have some hand cream. This is just the coconut hibiscus hand cream from Bodycology. This is from Walmart. This is my summer scent. I haven't picked out what scent I want for my winter hand cream, so let me know what your guys' favorite scent is for the winter time. I really love like warm vanilla sugar. I love smelling like vanilla. That is one of my favorite scents to smell like. I like smelling like a cookie or a bakery pretty much. But this is really great for summer. I love this hand cream. It's really thick and moisturizing, and I love to put it on my cuticles because sometimes my cuticles can get dry, but I really love this lotion. I also have a liquid lipstick in here from Milani. This is their Amore Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Adorable. I just like to have different lipstick options because you never know when you'll need to put on a lip. I also have a gloss. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. This is her original gloss bomb. I absolutely love it. It is so good. It's so good over like any lipstick, any color lipstick or anything. Like you guys see, like it just made my lips look so juicy and glossy and just amazing. So I love that. I also have in here this Victoria's Secret Tease perfume. This is just a rollerball. Oh, I love this scent. My boyfriend actually got this for me, not knowing that it was my favorite scent from Victoria's Secret. So it just smells so good and just so like sexy without trying too hard. It is just so good. I'm gonna put some behind my ears because I'm not seeing him today, but I can still smell good. But moving on, I also have a lip pencil. This is the Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner in Raw Chocolate. I love this one. This is really great for my darker skin girls because it's like a perfect nude shade. Because you know a lot of the nudes look very, very light on us, so it's really great. I also have this Wander Beauty eyebrow pencil. I use this pretty regularly because 9 times out of 10 when I leave my house I don't have my makeup on because it's so early in the morning. But by like mid-afternoon or something, if my friends want to go out to lunch or dinner or something and I want to look presentable, I'll just throw on some brows and some mascara, which I also have in here, and I'm set to go. So I just feel most comfortable with brows and mascara. Some people want more, some people want less, so that's just what I feel comfortable with. I have another lip liner. I should probably take this out. I don't need to. This one is from Wet n Wild. This is in Bear to Comment. Another one of my favorites. This is more mauve pink, and the other one is definitely more brown. This is some, I think this is from, yeah, Ico London. This is their Lash Alert mascara. It's just a little mini. I think I probably got this in an Ipsy bag, honestly. But it's just the perfect size to just toss in your bag for those times where you want to look a little bit more presentable. Just toss on some mascara, some brows, and a lip, and you're good to go. Lastly, in this little bag, I do have a little wet brush. I obviously don't need to use this right now, but when my hair is naturally out and not in a protective style, it's always great to have a brush on hand to, you know, fix anything that's going awry. And then also in here, I just have some bobby pins because you never know when you're going to need a bobby pin or something. So that's all that I have in there. And like I said, I would rather have all of this in a little bag than have it all loosey-goosey running around in my bag, because I just feel like that just doesn't appeal to me at all. So I just like to have everything nice and compact in a little bag so that I know where everything is. So that's the first thing that's in this side pocket. I also have a pack of gum. This is just the Orbit Sweet Mint. This is one of my favorite gums. I love having, and I was about to say having things in my mouth, but That's not appropriate. I just love having chewing gum, mints, you know, candy, whatever, just in case, like, sometimes my blood sugar gets low and I get very irritable. So it's nice to have things that just, like, I can put in my mouth when I'm feeling a little, you know, down. So I also have my keys here, nothing crazy, my Penn State lanyard. I am now a Penn State graduate, which is absolutely insane. I don't want to talk about it. Now I'm moving into this zipper pocket here. First up, I have my wallet, of course. This is just a regular cheetah wallet. I think I got this from either Walmart or I think it's Walmart. I'm pretty sure it was Walmart where I got this. It's just like a cheetah print. I thought it went nicely with the bag because the bag is brown. I just keep, you know, regular wallet stuff. I have a few dollars in here, my license, and all that jazz. Let me just make sure I do have my license because it doesn't look like I do. I do. I lied. But yeah, so I just keep that in the zipper part because, like I said, I don't want anybody to be stealing my wallet. That would not be good. In here, I also have 2 little bars because, like I said, I do get hungry. This is the Trader Joe's This Apple Walks Into a Bar cereal bar. I love these. They taste like apple pie. They are super good. And then I also have this Cliff bar. This is the coconut chocolate chip. This one's really, really good too. I love it. That's just in case, like, I get hungry all of a sudden or something. I also have my sunglasses. These are my go-to sunglasses. These are the high key fades from Desi Perkins. I love these glasses. These are just timeless. I'm obsessed with them. I wear them with everything, every season. I don't care. It's just like my favorite sunglasses ever. And they were pretty pricey. They were $60, but I literally use them every single day. And then this is not my only pair of keys as well. So I also have just some warheads in the bottom of my bag. Like I said, I like to have candy in my purse. It's just like my thing. And then I have a little spray perfume. This just has some pure gardenia from Walmart. This was like more so my summer scent, so I'm probably going to take this out and just have the Victoria's Secret one in here so that I can just smell good, you know? You never know when you're stinky and you just need to smell good, right? Right. So that's all that's in the zipper pocket. Like I said, I don't keep anything like super crazy in there. I'm pretty much now at the point in my life where I just keep the necessities in my bag. I don't have all that extraness that I used to have before. But moving on to the second button pocket, I have this little pouch here. This is also from Ipsy. I would really like to get like a matching set to put in my bag of these little bags, but you know, I don't have the time for that. So first things first, in this little bag, I have this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I really like this spray. Sometimes I get a little anxious and I will just spray this, even not just on my face, but just like in the air. And it just really relaxes me because it has the lavender and the chamomile. It's really, really nice. It's just like a good, like, kind of like rejuvenation, like a whew, like husa moment kind of. So I really love that. I also have these Charmin to-go toilet seat covers. You never know when you'll be in a public restroom that does not have toilet seat covers, or, you know, even sometimes you don't want to squat because you got other things to do, you know what I mean? It's just really nice to always have these on hand, and I think they were in the dollar section at Walmart, so you can't beat it. I also have a little powder here. I need to get a little brush for this because I don't have a brush. This is just from LA Colors. It's just a really like simple powder. Like, I really rarely use this, honestly, because it's a little light for me, but it's just in case like I get a little shiny throughout the day and I just need something really quick to put on my face. This is just really good. I got it from the dollar store, so it's really easy. Also, I have a little deodorant in here. This is just the Arm & Hammer Ultra Max Advanced Sweat Control deodorant. I got this, I think, from Walmart. Sometimes I honestly, guys, forget to put on deodorant. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna fake the funk. Sometimes I really do, but this is just great to have for those days where I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to put on deodorant. Because you never know, and you never know when your friends forget to put on deodorant too, and you're like, hey, you want to try this? But no, I really love this deodorant. I've never used it actually, but I just know, especially with the summer months, I just know that it's just good to have an extra deodorant, God forbid. And then lastly, in this little package, I do have a pad. You never know when Mother Nature will sneak up on you. She snuck up on me the last time, and I was like, oh my God. Like, sometimes I just forget she's coming. Like, she just shows up unannounced. Like, it's just so rude of her sometimes, you know? Like, girl, give me a little, like, heads up or something. But, so it's always good to have, not only for you, but if one of your friends gets it. You never want to be the person like, oh, I don't have one, sorry, you know? I always like to be prepared, not only for me, but for my friends as well. So, that's just me. What else do we have in here? This is not mine. This is this is a Slim Jim. This is my boyfriend's. We went to the amusement park the other day, and we stopped at the gas station. This is not mine. I do like Slim Jims though, so I will probably eat it, but I didn't buy this. What else? Oh, I have more lip products. I have this Essence Shine 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 Wet Look lip gloss. This is so good, you guys. I love this lip gloss. This is definitely a dupe for the Fenty one because it just leaves your lips super duper glossy and just like wet. It is a wet look lip gloss, and they got that down. This is the Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Amazonian. I really love this liquid lipstick as well. I don't have to have two of them in here though, so I already have a liquid lipstick and a gloss, so I'll take those out. I also have a little butt to my charger that goes in the outlet. I do have a cord, but it's currently in my car, so I always have a charger on me. I also have a portable charger, but that's actually charging. So I also have some change in my bag, and that's really it, you guys. I don't keep a lot in my bag just because, like I said, I found what I like to keep in here and like the necessities and everything like that. So I feel like as you get older, you figure out like what you need and what you don't need. I also sometimes do keep wipies, like baby wipes, in my bag just for those times when, you know, you go to the bathroom and you need to use them. Or even sometimes my hands get sticky and I don't want to use hand sanitizer. I also do keep hand sanitizer in here. I just don't have any, I don't think. So I just did purchase this bag, so this bag doesn't have like a lot of receipts and all that stuff in it, which I usually have, but I've only had this bag for about a week or so, so I don't have anything like super crazy in it or anything like that. But anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to hit that little notification bell because it will notify you every time I upload here on my channel, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. And yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.